For decades, Google Chrome has functioned as the standard application for accessing online data across global networks. We installed it, it became habit, and we just put up with its heavy footprint because it seemed like the only real option. Lately, though, it feels like a tipping point has arrived, and a whole lot of people are ready to move on. People are just done with the browser slowing down their computers and feeling like the software cares more about selling ads than helping them. As a Chrome user, do you think you are also sold out? Google is facing growing user dissatisfaction with Chrome due to technical, privacy, and security challenges. This frustration is compounded by Chrome's multi-process architecture. While it isolates tabs for stability, it aggressively consumes memory, often using 40% more memory than competitors and draining laptop hardware. Furthermore, serious privacy and security concerns have undermined user trust. Google recently retired its years-long Privacy Sandbox initiative after the industry rejected its tracking cookie alternatives, reinforcing critics' arguments that the free browser primarily serves Google's core advertising business. Together, these issues have triggered Chrome's largest market share erosion in over a decade, signaling that millions of users are actively migrating to alternative browsers. Moving onward, we find ourselves looking at the exact reason so many users are getting excited, and that is Zen Browser. Released as a free open-source project, Zen is a Firefox fork built on top of Firefox 151, which means it completely rejects the Chromium engine monoculture. The core organizing feature here is something called Workspaces, which lets you group your tabs by specific tasks, projects, or themes, so you can switch between entire sets of tabs instantly without any clutter. When we look at the specific features drawing people in, the design layout stands out immediately because Zen features vertical tabs right out of the box. This is not some optional toggle or an extension you have to hunt down in a store. It is the beautifully integrated default layout that maximizes your screen real estate. If you need to stay logged into multiple Google or social media accounts for work and personal use, you can do it side by side without constantly logging out and back in. Then we have Split View, which completely changes how we multitask. It lets you place two tabs right next to each other in the same window. It's incredibly useful when you're trying to write a document with a source web page open right beside it, saving you from constant dizzying tab switching. Another brilliant addition is a feature called Glance. If you're scrolling through a page and see a link you might want to read, you just hover over it. Glance opens a beautiful preview window over your current tab, so you can check out the page without fully committing to opening a brand new tab. If it turns out to be worth your time, you can instantly expand it into a full tab or drop it right into a split view. If you like to work without any distractions, Zen includes Compact Mode. With a quick adjustment, it hides almost all of the browser Chrome and interface elements while you're actively reading or writing, letting the software completely fade into the background. For the folks who love to tweak their setups, Zen offers deep visual customization through community-built themes known as Zen mods. We also have to talk about privacy by inheritance. Because Zen is built on Firefox, it collects absolutely no data on its own, and all Mozilla telemetry can be easily disabled with a single click, forcing web developers to keep their sites compatible with more than just Google's ecosystem. Taking a look at what the community thinks, the feedback from real users who made the permanent switch is incredibly telling. One reviewer noted that Zen successfully takes the absolute best pieces of Firefox and builds something completely opposite to Chrome's restrictive, closed-source approach. Another writer shared that after trying Edge and Firefox and finding both of them pretty boring, Zen was the first browser that did not just feel like another lazy Chrome clone with a fresh coat of paint. They mentioned that the vertical sidebar made research-heavy, multi-tab workdays feel completely organized instead of chaotic. On the other side of things, a prominent Mac-focused tester ran a head-to-head benchmark comparison between Chrome, Brave, Safari, Firefox, and Zen. For him, Chrome was an immediate non-starter because of Google's aggressive tracking infrastructure, and he felt uncomfortable with Brave's built-in cryptocurrency features. While he labeled Zen as an incredibly nice browser, he did point out a few rough edges, mentioning that it still lacks a few standard macOS keyboard shortcuts and does not have a built-in ad blocker right out of the gate. Looking at the longer-term reviews, we definitely see a slight split in community sentiment. The mass migration away from Google Chrome is a clear sign that users are demanding better privacy and smarter design. Chrome is failing to innovate while eating up system resources, and Zen Browser steps in to fill that gap perfectly. It delivers beautiful customization, unmatched tab organization, and real privacy without compromising on speed. If you're tired of the old way of browsing, Zen is absolutely worth the switch today. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more software insights like this.